Publishing an album while on the go is really easy with Mylio Photos Plus. What you can do is select a lot of photos you want to share. On a mobile device, just long press and hold. You can choose the pictures that you're interested in publishing. I'm going to take a few photos here from our day at Pike Place Market in Seattle. Now, once I'm ready, I'll tap the button and choose Add to Album. I'm now going to create a new album, and I'll call it Seattle, and click Create. The album should be selected, and you can click Continue to add them to your album. Now, switch on over to Album View. Your new album should be selected by default. In the info panel, there's a button called Publish Shared Album. You can also click to change the cover photo if you'd like. When ready, tap Publish Shared Album. You'll need to agree to the terms of service and that you have the rights to publish these pictures. Then tap Continue. You can specify the theme that you want to use for the web page as well, and whether or not you're going to allow downloads of a single archive for all those pictures, if you want to apply a watermark, and if you want to remove metadata for safer sharing online. When you're all set, tap the Share button. It'll take a moment, but Mylio Photos will convert the files and publish a web page for you. If you'd like to keep working, you can close this window and it will run in the background. Once it's done, you'll notice that the icon on the actual album is updated. It now has a globe indicating that it's being shared. Over here, you can now choose to email the link or copy the link. If you'd like to share this via email, just tap Email Link. A new message opens and you can easily customize it and send it to anyone you want. Or you can copy that link. Now I'm previewing the gallery, or I can tap a button and open it in my main web browser. Give it a second and the new images will load in, and you've created a gallery on the go. Now you can easily enjoy and browse through that. Tap the Share button and share this to any other service or person that you'd like to, easily text messaging it, and you have an invitation gallery that allows you to share those albums easily with other folks. And if there's a photo they want, with just a tap, they can download it or go into a great full-screen slideshow interface that makes it easy to enjoy the pictures. Shared albums make sharing photos that much easier.